We have, let's go down. Congratulations to Clyde. Red goes to the first matchup. Thank you so much, Scotty. What a wonderful get down. Diba? House voice. Di ko matuwa ko. Alright, let's go down for our second matchup. Let's go stay away like a highway. Red corner, drive it down. We have Gemma. Yo, Max. In a blue corner, give it to me. Give it to us. Ay, ay, ay. That's the reason why it needs to be a fire on a fire. You know how it is. 2 rounds. Red goes first in 1 minute. DJ Scope. Who's he gonna be? Is he gonna be Playmaker or Gen Max? Ground in 3, 2, and 1. Everybody, let's give it up for Playmaker. Mad props for Gen Max. El Balas. Alright, let's go straight, guys. Wala nang pipigil pa. No break. Let's go down for a third matchup. Red corner goes down. Everybody, who's it gonna be? Baby, hey. And the blue corner, Maraditos. Yeah, boy. All right, our first lady in the battle for the third matchup of our top 16. 2 rounds. Red goes first with a 1 minute. You grab on the side. Bob goes first with our DJ.
Wait a minute, get right, nigga. 10 toes in, I'm standing on business.
Up? Are you guys having fun yet? Whoa! Alrighty, let's go straight ahead. Number 1 and 2. You grab on the side. Who rules the dance floor? Is it gonna be red or blue? 3, 2, 1. We have mas matigas pa ko sa bato, boy. Alright, everybody, I love to na gusto ko pa sana bigyan sila ng 1 more round, but you crowd decided it. Blue takes it. Let up, guys. Come here. Yes. Alright, next matchup. Let's go straight ahead. Red corner, baby, going down on the straight down. Red corner, ay. Lapo. Ayos. Your boy. Now he's gonna be on the blue corner. You have your own idols and whatnot, but on the dance floor, they need to prove it. 2 rounds, 1 minute. Red goes first. You gotta go down, all straight down. DJ Show.
Yeah.
Make some noise for another battle. Bob and G and Iris, guys, they deserve it, but only one will proceed to the next round. You proud in 3, 2, 1. All straight away from the blue. Now for Paulo G. And Harris. Mali na kalisod guys. Karami daw magkalisod sa ang tanan. Kumbaga guys, you guys have your own bets, the battlers. But then again, they need also to prove it and show it off the best of the best. Because this is Red Bull Dance Your Style, baby! So na to, go! Everybody! Red Bull Dance Your Style, baby! Fifth matchup, red corner, give it to us! Wow! Astro Boy! Do I get it? And on the blue corner, give it to us. Who's it gonna be? Nas from Palawan! This is a battle, the best of the best. Yes, on their own corners with the red and blue. 2 rounds, 1 minute. Red goes first. DJ, drop that beat.
I don't even know what I mean, baby, show me what I mean.
The blue in 3, 2, 1. Raise your
Para lang tabla, ay dito tabla bigla, di ba?
It's
Para di matabla.
red.
Kapoy ka magtabla.
Congratulations. Ano, that was red, right? Red, congratulations.
Kapoy ka matabla.
See you last boy. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah, boy. Imagine, guys, the good thing of the dance floor, guys, or the Rebel Dancer style, they're giving us the platform to showcase our art form and love and Mad Plus. Thank you so much, Rebel. All right, next up, red corner. Give it to us. We're all excited. Oh, baby Titan on the red. Baby Titan, baby. And the blue. Give it to us, the blue. Ay, ay, ay. Anointed from Tacloban. Ay, ay, ay. Let's go, let's get it. 2 rounds, 1 minute. Red goes first. DJ drop it like it's hot. From Brazil, and then we got to Cebu. What happened? We got transported from Brazil, and we're now in Cebu. Get back in it. Alright, only 1 word proceed, guys. For the next round, is it gonna be Anointed, or is it gonna be Baby Titan?
Ay, Sean.
Crowd, 3, 2, 1! We have red corner, Baby Titan. Big love and credits also, guys. Represent from Tacloban, Anointed. Yo, alright. We still have high caliber battlers. Man, this is also quite hard. Yeah, boy. Come on. Red corner, give it to us.
Dayan.
Sobrang hirap. Mahirap pa sa broken hearted. Silent in the red corner. Blue corner. When I say red, you say blue. Red, red. When I say red, you say blue. Red, red. First, everybody.
Red, blue.
For 2 rounds, 1 minute. Red corner goes first. Defense show. Edwin Albion Prophet. Isa pa. Tawagan natin si Isa Calzada. Let's get it, guys. Let's go stay ahead. Number 1 and 2. Who's it gonna be? In 3, 2, 1. Raise your card. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Wow. Yeah. More. Wow. Your wish is my command, baby. All right, for the tiebreaker, 45 seconds. Deciding to go first, DJ Show. Tiebreaker. Damn. That was hard, totally hard. All right, guys. I love to see one more about them again. Only time will tell. Crowd, 3, 2, 1. We have what the? Wait. Guys, put down all your cards. I don't like this. I hate this. Gusto ko sila pumasok dalawa, boy. I love them both kaya. I can be your girlfriend. Yes, I can be your boyfriend and also I can be your girlfriend. Alright guys. Let's race first. Our blue. Who votes the blue card? Blue card. We have it. Blue card. Now, on the red card, raise it up! Yes, it is. It's actually a one more round. One more round. Is it one more round? Red. Is it red? No. Raise it up. Work. Once again, guys, raise it up. Red card. Red card. The blue card. Raise it up. Blue card. Oh, that's it. Yes. It all goes straight to red, baby. Make love for June 007. So mahirap. Man, that's what you call love. It was a battle, that's the dance, that's the community. Thank you so much, guys, that's all love. Alright, let's proceed now. All straight, but last but not the least of our top 16. And I believe so. Red, give it to us! Davao versus blue. Nothing else. Danny Yeager and JBY. 2 rounds, 1 minute. Red goes first. DJ, slap that leg. Yo. Maglaro tayo ng yo. Everybody, Yeager, JBY, make some noise for both of them. Alright. For the last matchup of our top 16, who will take the last slot for the top 8? Yeah, boy! Crowd! 3, 2, 1! Yeah, boy! It's blue! Make some noise, guys, for Yeager represent from Davao! Alright! We are down, cutting down the top 16, going straight ahead to our top 8, baby! Hey! to make some noise without scratching. Everybody on top 8. First match on the top 8. Red corner, give it to us. Raven. Do I get it? Black shady band lifestyle. And a blue corner, give it to us, baby. Play maker this store. Sana. Unsa na. Wow. Dahil sunod. As is a playmaker. There we go. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead for our top 8. Do it. You guys ready? You guys ready? Top 8. Let's go down. 2 rounds stay 1 minute. Red goes first, DJ Short. Drop it on the top. Excuse me. Alright. So guys, I teleported. Alright. So, for that matchup for our first top 8, one of them will have the spot or slot for the top 4 straight for the national finals. Calavera. So, what is it gonna be? It's gonna be live or it's gonna be playmaker. You guys decide. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, straight ahead. Everybody, congratulations for playmaker. And big shout out and mad love and mad props, guys. Do my game. Live. Congratulations to playmaker. Now go straight ahead. Everybody to the next matchup of our top 8. The second matchup. Red corner, give it to us. Come on. Madikas on the red corner. And you're the red man. You're on the red corner. And the blue. It's Double G. Ay. Come on. Guys, Poppin' G is already not single, alright? Let's go. It's time to go to the battle. This is battle time. Battle time, 2 rounds. 1 minute. Red goes first. DJ Short, drop it every time.
Drop the low
for one amigos for representing. Poppin' G guys has already now a spot for the nationals. Yeah, next up, red corner, give it to us, baby. Ay. Astro Boy. Let's go. And on the blue corner, number 1 and 2, we have Come on.
Oh, baby Titan.
Come on. Alright. So, tinanaway mo guys. Only one of you will be given a chance for a spot for the national finals. 2 rounds, 1 minute. Red goes first. Go down, all out. DJ, drop it. Come on. Crazy. Yeah, boy. Is it gonna be Astro Boy or Baby Titan? Whatever. Alright, crowd. You decide. In 3, 2, 1. It's blue. Baby Titan. There you go, guys. For Astro Boy, we're representing the city of Dumaguete. Now, last matchup of our top 8. Red corner. Drop it, baby. Ay, ay, ay.
Young Ted. Oh.
And blue. Ay, ay, ay. Daddy JPY. All right. So one of you guys will proceed and have a slot for the national finals battle. You guys need to prove it, or else you know how it is. 2 rounds, 1 minute. Red goes first. Everybody, DJ Short, trouble. Hey! Only time will tell if Isa pa. No, I don't have the Infinity Stones to decide it. What a freaking topic. Yo, Colin. Hoy, no vote buying dito. No vote buying. No vote buying. No vote buying, guys. If you give me $100, maybe. No vote buying, guys. Let's decide, guys, who rules the dance floor. Alright? Alright. Everybody! In 3, 2, 1. Lagi! Panugo, Mangoy! Matay! May panugo! Alright! As you wish, on my own magic lamp, one more round! 45 seconds! Kasi sino na ba ang gawin nyo? Kung nalang kayo ng Lidicol, Gagi Luis, man! Both partners doing their thing, their might, both a high caliber. Oh, 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 oh. Woo! Alright, you guys ready? Proud, you ready? Proud, you ready? And 3, 2, 1. The crowd has spoken. We have JP. Make some noise! Yo! What an unbelievable quarterfinals, baby! Still, the energy tonight is off the charts, as you know. We did and you guys did. Just to remind that everybody, guys, in our top 4 finalists will automatically qualify to the national finals in Ayala Center, Cebu on this coming, that will be next week on the 24th of May. And we'll be able to fight and represent the Philippines and also on the world stage in Los Angeles, California, for the World Finals! You are right. So, a big congratulations, guys, to all dancers who have fought their way to the semis. And before we move forward, I hate to take this one. We're taking a quick 10-minute break.